Hello guys, how are you? Ignore the hair. It's shrunk after washing it. Can't bother. How are you? Oh sorry, just zooming on her head top. Okay. What was you saying?
My hair's a bit mashed up.
You look beautiful. Look how cute she is. Okay, you can come out now. Entrance. Yes, bitch. What is that?
It's a ladies actually quick, but I'm not really a swelly type of person, so don't watch hair.
No, it looks nice. It looks nice. Alright then.
This is for you.
Is it for me?
Yes, I try to give you the best one because you know there's.
Is it strong, yeah?
It's a bit hot.
My G. My G. Thank
It's
you.
not hot.
It is hot. But I got asbestos and you know I'm a yardie fam. Come on, I can hold this shit like easy.
This is what you can actually do to it. Try and get going to work this way when I'm out for practice. Alright, you try and do it. I'm going to try and do it. Go on then.
He's so drunk.
Christmas treats.
Right, when I'm not going to come in for a lecture, I'm sure you do.
Adrian, hurry up no man. Hurry up no. Alright then baby, yeah, come. Come on, back to you Toria. Hey. Go on, go on, go on. Work it. Woo! Yes, bitch. Kill him. Woo! You're right.
Remember when they used to come and all the dogs would work for me. Working me. She working me. Urging me. It was urging me.
Is feeling festive. I am kinda. Christmas is just one of them ones, but hey ho, your hair still gotta slay. I really wanted a deep wine colored hairdo, something that I thought would be really good for my skin tone and for every skin tone. And I opted for like the loose deep Peruvian hair, because normally like the really deep curly ones, they get very frizzy. So this one was like the perfect choice, and the curls were amazing. And this hair actually took to the bleach and the dye really well, and it just came out looking so beautiful. I got this from Alipearl Hair, and I got the long lengths, and then obviously it looks shorter because it's been curled with the curling wand. So we're just applying this wig and, you know, hoping for the best, and it did come out really good. As you could see at the start, Deidre did such a good job. She says that the hair obviously took well to the bleach and it took well to the color, and the lace front is actually above, you know, average. Like she says that it was a really good lace frontal, so I'm pleased with it. It did look quite nice. And you know guys, I just really like trying new and different things, and I'm so grateful that I got to do this color for Christmas, and I really hope that you do try it. By the way, I also have a discount code if you like wanna, you know, use it. It's SHANTA, and then you get $10 off your purchase, and the hair is quite affordable, so you know, I'm bringing it to you and all that. So I really hope you like the look, and I really hope you like the video, and I'll be making more content soon. Just bear with me. Thank you so much guys, love you.
At least give it a try. Sometimes we're just ourselves and not with someone else. Me, myself, and I. At least give it a try. Sometimes we're just ourselves and not with someone else. I see who you are tonight. I see who you are tonight. Maybe don't want your love, don't want your love, don't want your love. You can keep your heart. I see who you are tonight. I see who you are tonight. Maybe don't want your love, don't want your love, don't want your love. You can keep your heart. Me, myself, and I. At least give it a try. Sometimes we're just ourselves and not with someone else. Some shit go down when it's $1 billion on the elevator.
Some shit go down when it's $1 billion on the elevator.
Post up, post up, post up, post.